bowl.
A plate.
A plate.
Yeah. Here,
Yay.
you take this. You take this one. We have a purple plate. What color plate do you have? An orange plate.
Whoa, baby, yellow.
Let's see what it sounds like. Let's do 2 taps. Can you do 2 taps? Just 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
That is yellow.
1, 2.
One.
1, 2. So let's see if they sound loud or soft.
Loud.
Let's see. I'm going to make a sound. You tell me if it's loud or soft. Was that sound loud or soft?
It sounds loud.
It sounded loud. Can you make a loud sound on your plate?
Yeah.
Nice! That was a loud sound. Now I'm going to make another sound, and you tell me if it's loud or soft. Okay?
Yeah.
Ready?
Go loud.
Let's listen. Let's listen. Ready?
Wow.
Listen with your ears. Listen. Listen. Was that one loud or soft? Yeah, it was soft. Can you make a soft sound? Let me help you. Soft.
Go loud. Go loud.
Let's do loud and soft. Ready? Take this layer. Ready? Let's do loud. Soft. Very soft. Mommy's gonna do soft again. Soft. Do fast and slow.
Fast and slow.
Let me see you move your arms fast. Ready? Fast.
Going like that.
Fast, 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 fast. And ready? Let's move slow. Slow. Fast, 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 fast. And slow. Slow, slower, slow. We're gonna do fast. And fast. Okay, now let's do slow. Let's see if we can do slow. Ready? Can you do slow like this? Let's try slow. Ready? Let's see how slow you can go. Go ahead, hold on to that. Let's do. Ready? Slow. Good job. We're gonna play freeze dance. When I play the music, you dance around, and then when I pause the music, you freeze. Ready? Ready to start dancing? Okay. Oh, freeze. Good job. Dance. Good job. Wait, you're supposed to freeze. Wait, freeze. Freeze. Let's see if these make noise. Piece of paper, some straws. Let's see if you drop them, if they make noise. Drop them. Does it make a lot of noise, or is it quiet? It is quiet. Can you drop it? Did it make noise?
It's pink.
Does it make noise? Let's see if it makes noise. Ready? It's quiet, right? It's quiet. Huh.
That is loud.
That's right, that's loud.
That is quiet.
Yeah, that one's quiet. And now drop them now.
Hello, Daddy.
We have all these things, and we're gonna see if they make sound. Let's start by rolling everything across the ground. I'm gonna pick this one. Did that make a noise? Okay, you roll yours. You roll that. Does that make a sound?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I don't really hear anything. I think we need to do other things with it to make it make sound, right? How about we just drop them? Oh, I hear them. Oh, that made a sound too. How about the car?
Uh-huh. Dad.
Whoa.
I go to Vanity down.
They make different sounds.
Whoa.
Wow. Did they make a lot of noise?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's see if these things make some noise. What does that sound like?
Loud.
How about this one?
Okay. Lily loud. Daddy.
That is quiet. How about if we scrunch it up like this? Can you do that? Can you scrunch them?
Okay. We gonna roll and roll. We're gonna roll and
Does that make a sound?
Yeah.
What does it sound like?
Make loud.
Loud? Ooh.
Good.
Makes a crunch sound?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Come together. Back together. Put it in back together. We put it in back together. Crunch. Crunch. Roll into a bowl.
Can you make a shh sound? Shh. Like we're being quiet. Shh. You do. You make that sound. Can you do that sound? Shh. Good job. Do it again. Shh. Let's see if you can guess what animal I'm pretending to be. What does that sound like?
Okay.
A snake. Are you pretending to be a dog? Are you pretending to be a dog?
Yeah.
Good job. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed our first episode of our Play Through Milestones series. Sound milestones are super important for development. Check out our expansion guide to learn more, and don't miss out on our next episode, so be sure to subscribe to our channel.